Imagine a world where the sun always shines, where the azure waves lap gently against soft white sands, where the air is filled with the melody of tropical birds and the scent of sea salt and lush vegetation. Welcome to the hidden paradises of the Caribbean. Adventures begin the moment the first rays of a Caribbean sunrise paint the sky with hues of orange and magenta. As the world awakens, so does the anticipation of the day's exploration. Board a small, charming boat, the kind locals use, and let it navigate through the cerulean waters towards the first stop. The first island beckons with its untouched beauty. Dense, emerald green foliage fights for space with cascading waterfalls and hidden lagoons. A hike through the verdant trails reveals the island's secrets: a secluded waterfall, a hidden cave, a quiet, sandy cove. The air is alive with the calls of exotic birds and the rustle of unseen creatures. Next, the boat weaves its way to an island that is a snorkeler's paradise. Rainbow-colored fish dart through vivid coral reefs, while graceful sea turtles glide past. The crystal-clear waters offer a panoramic view of the underwater world, a spectacle of life and color that leaves one breathless. A change of pace awaits at the next island. Here, a bustling local market offers a slice of Caribbean life. The air is heavy with the aroma of spices and fresh fruits, while the sound of laughter and bargaining fills the ears. The vibrant colors of local crafts, the taste of authentic food, the rhythm of local music. It's a sensory overload that captivates and charms. The day winds down at a quiet, serene island. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with the colors of twilight, it's time to kick back and relax. The island offers a tranquil retreat, a chance to reflect on the day's adventures and soak in the beauty of the Caribbean. To summarize, the Caribbean is more than just a collection of beautiful islands. It's an adventure waiting to happen, a treasure trove of experiences. From the untouched beauty of lush islands, the underwater spectacle of coral reefs, the vibrant life of local markets, to the serene tranquility of a secluded retreat, each island is a paradise in its own right. As the day turns into night, the Caribbean islands continue to hum with the rhythm of life, each beat a promise of more adventures to come. It's a world that's waiting to be explored, a paradise that's waiting to be discovered. So, pack your bags and set sail for the hidden paradises of the Caribbean. It's time to embark on an adventure of a lifetime.